Alright, y'all. Today we're going to be doing our Forces and Machines review. But first, a shout out to the 100%ers from yesterday. In Richmond, this was Niall, Mia, Ryan, Amaya. In Alcorn, this was David, Paris, Sarah, Antoine, Crystal, Isaiah, Snell, and Terriel. And in Yukon, this was Tracy, Corey, and that is it. So shout out to you guys for being awesome. What are we doing today? Our essential question is, what do I need to know for the benchmark? Our lesson objective, we will review forces and simple machines, and our homework is to finish our packet. Note number 1, to find the net force, we need to add the two forces together. So if I have force 1 going south, and I have force 2 going east, my result or my net force is it's going to go southeast. I have to add those two forces together. Note 2, if two forces are acting in the same direction on the object, we add the forces together to calculate the net force. So if I have 10 newtons going to the right plus another 10 newtons going to the right, the net force is going to be 20 newtons to the right. Note 3, if two forces are acting in the opposite direction on the object, we subtract the forces to calculate the net force. So if I have 10 newtons going to the left and 8 newtons going to the right, I know 10 minus 8 is 2 newtons to the left. For our forces, I know that gravity is the force that always pulls down. It's the downward arrow. My normal force is the force that pushes up from the ground, so that's always the up or green arrow. My applied force is always in the direction of motion, so whichever direction my object is moving, right now it's moving to the right, my applied force is going to be to the right, and friction is in the opposite direction of motion. So I know that if my object is moving to the right, friction is going to be moving to the left.